Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to Barbados to train this really fast. So I'm going to do this one. And then one crash, next train. Alright, first crash. Next train. Alright, if I take Bro, this one was small. He's on his phone. Oops. Really fast. Derails. Okay, this is cool. Gotta slow down. Alright, here we go. Going to more faster. Wait. There's a train thing. What is... Oh, it's a pizza random trains. Okay, I know. So, yeah, so actually, let's see now. So, it's not fine. Okay, now we keep going. Hold on, it's really become black, right? Yep, I know. So, look at that, her design is real cool. Starfall Express. This time was really fast. Probably just slow down. Because I want to crash to the car. Okay. Full speed. Alright, next one. Are you kidding me?